Tell you, it's real hot out here in Houston. I decided to make a video on the hottest day, probably. It's not even the hottest day yet. Man, it feels good once you're riding. What's up, guys? Lab Lifestyle here, back with another video. I'll make it quick because it's real hot out here in Houston. It's about 100 degrees, really hot day. Oh, and also happy 4th of July to everybody. Hot day on 4th of July. So today I want to give y'all on the budget mods for your Sportster. And yeah, I want to give y'all these budget builds, these budget mods, because I mean, not everybody is gonna have the money for them high dollar or fancy mods from Harley Davidson, overpriced. So you know, mostly all these mods are from Amazon, and you know, sometimes you want this part, but I mean, you can't get it, or you have to. I mean, you can wait for it, but you know, you want it now. Or you know, what if your wife doesn't let you, but you want it? So mod number one will be the cheapest mod you can get. They are the turn signal covers. They're for your turn signal covers, and it comes with 2 pairs, you know, for your front ones and the rears, at around 10 bucks. Yeah, so you don't have to go and get them fancy expensive ones, you know. Just, hey, 10 bucks, bam, they're smoked out. These lenses are smoked out. They look cool. They give it a nice look. It's better than them red turn signals and that yellow orange one that they originally come with. You know, my bike's basically all black, and you know, it looks better. Mod number 2 are the turn signal lights, and they're the forward and rear, but I bought them separately, but you know, they're the same. So you know, I'm gonna put it as the same mod. The front ones, I couldn't find them on Amazon, but I found some there. It looked pretty good. They're about $16, and they do like the same thing. I think they should be the same. They have the white ring, and you know, they're yellow. They turn yellow in the middle, and the rears, they have the red ring around it, and they turn, you know, they fully light up once you press the brakes, or you put your turn signal, or you put the emergency lights, and you know, it looks real nice. It gives it a whole different feel to your bike, you know, makes it look cooler. It's they're LED, you know, you won't have that little light bulb anymore. LED, and I think, you know, they should last a little longer probably. I have not had any problems with the bike or with the lights. Work really good. And together they go at about 40 bucks together. Mod number 3. That third mod will be my headlight grill. You know, I've seen a lot of people, they like how the headlight grill looks, and there are expensive ones, but then they also have a cheap one. Mine's it's like aluminum, and it's, you know, it says it's up to 2012, but my bike's 2019, and it fits just perfect. It's just a screw on. You just screw it on. It's so easy. no problem whatsoever, and you know, it just gives the bike an even meaner look. Looks way better, and you know, I like it. It's about 20 bucks. 20 bucks, and you know, 20 bucks make your bike look nice, you know. Fourth mod is the Headlight. It's I think it's the brand Wismic or Wismike, I don't know, but when I was searching, it was, say, the replica of the Daymaker. I saw the Daymaker. Yeah, it's super bright. Heck, I don't want to pay about $300-400 bucks for a headlight, you know, that I can get for this headlight was 45 bucks. Super cheap, and it's super bright. There's sometimes where I'm riding at night or early in the morning, there's people that they flash the lights at me because, you know, I'm riding and it just looks so bright. You know, they get mad I'm blinding them, but you know, I'm not doing it on purpose, and I just did it, so I just did it for my safety. You know, I want people to see me. Of course you want people to see you, you know, and hear you, you know. You want people to hear you, but yeah, you want them to see you real good, especially at night. Let me see, what are we on? Number 6. Yes, mod number 6. What is it? I forgot. My drag bar. Looks so cool. Look at that. It looks so cool. It changes the style of the bike, the feel of the bike. You feel like you're more into the bike. You know, you feel, to me, I'd say I feel I am the bike. I'm a part of the bike, you know.
I'm one with the force is with me.
Me and the bike are one, let's say. And that brings us mod number 7. Mod number 7 are the grips. These grips, they're so cheap, about 20 bucks. Oh, and sorry, I forgot to tell you about the bars. Bars were about 40 bucks. Cheaper, you know, way better than getting them from Harley Davidson. They're about like 100 almost something. I'd rather pay 40 bucks. They do the same thing. Yeah, so back to the grips. These grips, they're pretty slippery. Look at that, slippery. They slip out of my hand, but I'll deal with it. I just need some gloves with that rubberized grip. These are just, you know, leather or suede, whatever. But you know, they work good. They look so nice. Look at that. They're all metal. So easy to install, no problem. And it doesn't come with the glue, but you know, I bought my super glue and I stick them on. This thing does not even budge, nothing. Works perfect. And so I'm giving you this last one, mod number 8. Mod number 8 is my tank lift. I decided to do a tank lift. Some people don't like it. I like it. I think it looks cool, especially with the drag bars. And my Roadster, you know, the Roadster doesn't have the speedometer so high like the Iron. You know, the Iron's like up here, you know, the Roadster, they have it right there. tank lift, so it looks real nice. It's a 2-inch tank lift. 2-inch tank lift. Look, it gives it a different feel. It looks so cool. I think it looks so cool. So yeah, model number 8. Yeah, model number 8 was about, I forgot, I think like 15 bucks. So easy to install, you know, it's just screw, unscrew, that's it. No problem. The tank's not loose. See, look, she's not loose, she's tight. So yeah, guys, 8 mods on a budget, you know, so cheap. I decided to get these, you know, I mean, I can't get every single fancy thing, you know, every fancy thing. I can't get it that I want, you know. I'd say I blame the wife. Yeah, let's say that. I blame the wife. She don't let me get my stuff home. But sometimes, yeah, I go a little overboard, and I bought me my intake. You know, I bought me my intake. I had to, you know, all in this. Alright guys, so that was it. Don't be afraid to comment down below. Ask me any question. I'll answer it to you. I'll answer it for y'all. Any question about any of these mods that y'all have seen that I'm showing y'all. Any other different question y'all want, you know, y'all want to know, let me know. Don't be afraid. And don't worry, every single item I'm showing you will be in the description down below. So guys, I hope y'all enjoy it. Please hit that like button, and you know, support this channel. Subscribe. You know, I do my best to make these videos, and of course I'm gonna make much more videos for y'all. My goal is to grow this channel and hopefully get somewhere. So please guys, hit that like and subscribe, help out this channel, and I will see y'all later, another day or another video. Alright guys, peace.